Hey guys, welcome back. It almost feels like I never left because I didn't. So here I am again on the same day filming another haul, and this one is going to be a Allsaints haul, and I absolutely love Allsaints and I love getting some beautiful staple pieces to my outfit. I know they're a bit pricey, but they're great. I love their quality. I just love their style. Super dark. It's just super chic, black, everything that I love. I mean, most of the times you'll catch me wearing black, so this is probably why I love Allsaints, besides the fact that I love their style and everything. But without further ado, let's jump in. I have some pieces, I don't have too many pieces, but I have a fair amount. Guys, here are the bags. Let's dig in. Okay, I'm going to start with this beautiful black dress that I cannot stop talking about, and I haven't even gotten a chance to actually wear it yet. So yeah, so it's this beautifully knit black dress, and the arms are a bit more sheer. I'll show you guys. I hope you guys can see that. So it's a beautiful black knit dress, and I love how so many of my hairs there, sorry about that. So what I love about this is that it has a belt in the front, and this is probably not going to do justice. And then in the back, this belt kind of looks like it's an extra top or a jacket. So that I absolutely love. So it kind of looks like it's a two-piece. It gives you that illusion. It's just really beautiful. It goes all the way down, almost to your ankles. It's beautiful. I would say, no, actually way higher than your ankles. And it has two slits on the sides. You can't really tell, you know. It has two slits on the sides like this. Just beautifully knit, the detail. This is what I love about Allsaints. Just beautiful quality, very beautiful black dress. Can't go wrong with it. This is called the Flora dress, and I got this in a size large because I don't like dresses like this to be super tight. I like how it was flowing on me, and I like that I could tighten up the belt area a bit more, and then just love a comfort fit. And I could see myself wearing this dress with some beautiful white sneakers, or wearing it with some beautiful boots. Oh my goodness, this would be so great for winter and fall. I cannot wait to style this for you guys. I just kind of want to show you guys how the belt looks. Maybe if I tie it up, bring it in, maybe you guys could see on the side, not sure. And this dress retailed at $228 US, but let me tell you, I will justify this because it has an amazing quality, and I know I could see myself wearing it a lot, so this will go a long way. Okay, another dress that I will show you guys, and this one is actually a two-piece. This one had an illusion that it was a two-piece, but this one is a two-piece, and I absolutely love it. So it's this beautiful pearly gray color. It's just so beautiful. Look at that color. Flowy dress. And I know that the skirts are really in style, these beautiful flowy skirts. And this is kind of like a combination of both. This dress with a strap. It's like a strappy dress. Very simple, plain, but the color just, I don't know. It's killer. And so the second part to this dress, and they come together, is this beautiful, I don't know what material this sweater is. But it's this beautiful gray sweater, and it's like a roll neck, big roll neck, fluffy, so gorgeous. Can't wait to show you guys these are the arms. It's kind of loose on me. So let's go to the sizing since we're talking about this. The sizing, I got large because like I said, I like things to look flowy, not too tight. I mean, I could have done the medium. The medium was still flowy, but what I liked about the large was that it was a bit longer and it just looked nicer. But the issue with that is that the large, the arms were a bit more loose versus the medium was a bit more fitted. But I don't mind. I kind of like that loose look. If you know anything about me, I love oversized looks. And then it just has like a slit opening there. The front is shorter and the back is longer. And this two-piece dress retails at $260 and it's called the so it's just like a roll neck dress. That's the name of it. It is beautiful, and like I said, I got this in size large, and again, I could see myself wearing these a lot with some cute boots and some cute sneakers. I mean, you name it, it's gonna be great. Beautiful, beautiful piece for fall, and I can see myself wearing it in winter. I mean, I could definitely pull this off because I live in LA, so I think it's definitely doable. Okay, so I have another clothing piece that I want to share with you guys, but I didn't purchase this directly from the Allsaints store. I actually grabbed it at our local Nordstrom rack, and I absolutely love going there and shopping and finding these type of pieces that you would be probably paying way more if you were to get it from Allsaints. But again, it's worth it because of their quality. I saw these beautiful joggers and the quality is amazing. Has zipper pockets on the sides, one pocket in the back there. This is the back. And then these are the drawstring. I just wear it as trousers because of the quality of it. And I just wanted one really good, and they're super thick, like super thick, warm, high quality, just sweats. And these are probably perfect. You could wear it with beautiful trainers. You could even wear some fun combat boots with these and dress it up. And this one was actually a size extra small, and I'm actually shocked that I fit in an extra small, and it was fairly good. It kind of fit me like a medium, I would say, and I absolutely love it. And these ones, I purchased it for I think $79.99, and they actually retailed I think around like 100 something, I'm not sure, but yeah, it was a great buy, great find, and I got to save money. I mean, what could be any better than that? Okay, this other piece I'm actually going to be borrowing from my husband, but I thought to share because you might just see it on me, so what the hell, why not? And he still has not worn it. He bought this beautiful wool hat. I think it's wool, I don't know, I'm not sure. It's a size medium large. I think it's super cool and very nice, very badass. And let's show you guys how it fits. So that's beautiful. He's probably watching this thinking, well, you're gonna take over this? Anyways, so yeah, it was this beautiful hat. I don't remember what it retails at, but I will link everything below. And yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching this All Saints fall haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below which was your favorite piece. And if you guys enjoyed videos like this, then let me know so I can make more. So far I've been enjoying it. Like I've said before, this is up my alley. I love fashion and I love shopping. So what's better than that than to share it with you guys? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.